This is a countersink drill bit set that was sent over to me to check out and make this video. I'm going to give you guys a close-up look at this set, then I'm going to check it up and give you a quick demo. Let's jump into it. So this here is a 9-piece set. You got the box, you've got 5 bits, your shank, and a Allen key for setting it all up. So super easy to use, guys. This here is the main feature here. So you've got your shank as well as your depth stop here. There's a screw down in there. You probably can't see that, but there's a screw down inside of here that holds the drill bit inside of the shank there. And then if you loosen it all the way up, you can actually take the bit out. So this is what the bit looks like. You see this got this hole here. There's a screw inside of here that goes inside this hole that holds your countersink bit in, as well as locks in the drill bit. And then you've got another screw here that sets the depth gauge here. So you got some numbers there on the depth gauge, and you can set that as deep or as shallow as you need to. So pretty easy to set up. Again, you got your 5 bits here, so depending on what size pilot hole you need to drill, you can set that into the shank and get going. So I'm going to get this set up and we're going to give it a shot. So to set this up, I'm going to first start off by setting the depth of my bit. So I want that to go about yay deep. So I'm going to lock that in, and then again there's a screw down inside of here. You're going to lock that in to set your drill bit first, and then I'm going to set my depth gauge second. So I want my depth about right there. Going to lock that in, and that's ready to go. This here does spin freely inside of the depth gauge there, so works pretty flawlessly. So once you got this all set up, guys, it's pretty self-explanatory from that point. You know, this gives you consistent depth. So I'm gonna drill my hole. That's that pilot there. Then they give you a Phillips head chuck here that you can use for actually drilling your screws in. So perfect. So there you have it. So pretty useful tool here, guys. If you guys are drilling holes and you want to have a consistent depth, a consistent hole for your projects, I highly recommend this countersink drill bit set here. Hope this helps.